Imagine watching a giant rocket rise into the sky, flames blasting, shaking the ground beneath your feet, and carrying humanity's dream of exploring the universe. That's exactly what SpaceX is doing right now. And today, we'll dive into the incredible story behind their latest rocket launch. SpaceX is a private company founded by Elon Musk in 2002. Their mission is simple but bold: to make space travel cheaper, more reliable, and one day, to take humans to Mars. Unlike old-style rockets that were only used once, SpaceX rockets are reusable. That means after launching, they can land back on Earth and be used again, like an airplane. This innovation saves millions of dollars and changes the future of space travel. In this latest launch, SpaceX used its powerful Falcon 9 rocket. This rocket can carry satellites, cargo for the International Space Station, and even astronauts. At liftoff, the engines produce massive thrust, lifting the rocket straight into the sky. Within minutes, the first stage separates and comes back down to land on a drone ship in the ocean, while the second stage continues its journey into orbit. Watching this live is like watching science fiction, but it's real. This particular launch is important because it's part of a bigger plan. SpaceX is not just sending satellites for communication, they're also building Starlink, a giant network of satellites that will provide internet around the world, even in remote areas. On top of that, every successful launch brings us closer to sending humans to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. But SpaceX isn't stopping here. They're also working on a much bigger rocket called Starship. This rocket is designed to carry hundreds of people and tons of cargo into space. Imagine a future where people can travel to Mars like we travel on airplanes today. It sounds like a dream, but SpaceX is making it real step by step. So every time a SpaceX rocket launches, it's not just about putting something into orbit. It's about moving one step closer to the future of humanity in space. If you found this video exciting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Who knows? Maybe one day you'll be watching a rocket launch not from Earth, but from Mars.